Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to this week's Members Trade of the Week. As you know, it's a special event, special video, where we show you one of our members' absolutely best trades where they made real money during this week. So sit back, relax, and let me show you what our good friend Langford M from Anguilla experienced at home in his personal trade room. So let me tell you why Langford is one of my favorite members. He's willing to do the hard extra work. He gets up early to watch earnings. He gets up early to trade the British flash manufacturing report. Look at the move that the British pound had on this trade. It exploded down on the negative news. That's the British pound that he was trading. $525 profit on this report. That was less than a minute. It was probably a couple of seconds. I want to thank Langford so much for sending us his screenshot of the British Flash Manufacturing Services report, a profit of $525. Now, if you want to be one of our members' trades of the week, make sure you get to our new 10-day challenge starting right after Labor Day. Information in this email on how to sign up. Thanks everybody for watching, and let's see if you can become our next Members Trade of the Week. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.